video or just the next clip, but we are on our way to go look at some cars. I know y'all been on this car search journey with me for a while. Y'all like, man, when are you gonna get your damn car? But I'm just looking for like the perfect spec BMW, bro. And it's so hard to find in my area, and I'm already between cars. On what I want. I don't know if I want an M5, M550, M850, 840i. I mean, it's a million options I can go. G80, you know, and it's more than just about speed, because all these cars can easily touch 700 wheel, and that's pretty much my goal. So I'm looking for just the practical BMW that you guys are gonna watch, that I'm gonna enjoy doing content with. So yes, the car journey has been long, so y'all just stick around and wait to see what I get, because I will be getting something soon. Still got the Porsche right now, BMW in the truck. I'm gonna be doing a video on the other two cars soon, possibly this week. So yeah, man, I'm trying to be more consistent this year. My goal is to be more consistent. I haven't been consistent with you guys, and you guys have been here giving me thousands of views on my videos, so that's my fault. I'm gonna be more consistent this year, and I'm gonna try to post for 30 days straight. Y'all also let me know what y'all think of the camera settings and whatnot. I got it in 4K right now, 4K mode, and it's a little zoomed in for my liking, but I don't know. Do y'all guys like it, or y'all want me to go ahead and switch back to I'm thinking about getting a new camera, honestly, and I'm thinking about doing something to the interior. So yeah, man, y'all comment down below, let me know what you guys think I should, you know, go with. I got a lot of comments on my M5 and M6 video. It's like 50-50. Some people say get the M6, some people say get the M5. Man, I wanted the M6 for so long, to the point where now I have to go with the newer interior. Like the F90 interior, that interior is amazing compared to the M6. And all-wheel drive option. Like the M6 is so legendary. Like, y'all know how it goes. So I don't know what car to freaking get. I'm searching for everything, trying to see what you guys enjoy, trying to see what I enjoy. Hopefully whatever I get, y'all stick around for the build, stick around for the process, and let me know what y'all think about the camera settings. Yeah, I like it. I kind of played with my camera a little bit since the last time I vlogged. Dude, it's been 4 months since the last time I posted a video. It was Beamer Invasion in LA. That the other freaking Beamer Invasion is 2 days from now. That's sad. That's sad, my bad, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna check this one out today. This is the 850 they have up here. My boy gonna get the keys for me. It's actually perfectly spec'd out, bro. Perfectly spec'd out. It has the, I believe it's saddle orange interior, M package, clean as hell. Got an 840 right here is what I seen originally. When I seen the 850, I'm like, oh hell yeah, because this one has a black interior. I don't mind the 840 because it got the B58, and I just seen my boy put 1,000 horsepower on a stock engine on that, another 840. But yeah, we're gonna get it started for us. Oh shit. It wasn't supposed to go like this, y'all. You see the buying process I be telling y'all about? Thing don't start. Won't start? Dead. Oh, it's dead. But here's the interior color. Well, it's not saddle orange. This is the brown color. Got the 850 on the emblem. So yeah. Yeah, the brown's nice. So it's not the saddle orange. Yeah, it look like it does, right? It's for sure smaller. The only bad thing about this coupe is that the back seats is smaller than my 3 Series. The freaking battery's dead, y'all. So everybody will charge the battery real quick. But they got the 8 in there. What is it? Harman Kardon. That's supposed to be a plus. But man, I don't know. It's like, it's small in here. Smaller than I thought it would be. It's really cooped up. The seats look nice. The dash look nice. Everything looks nice. I don't know if we get this, we may have to get the Grand Coupe. We're gonna still test drive it and see where it's going. I like it, but the back seat's smaller than I thought. That's the only thing. It's a little tight.
You wouldn't think that either because it's so long.
Yeah. Like the back seats is really tight. Yeah, I got you. It should be up. Let's see.
Yeah, that's about because it makes you pump it twice. And it should just come up.
I can tell you it's a BMW. So this engine setup is nice though. Twin turbo V8, big intakes. We're gonna have to get an exhaust ASAP. I'm gonna rev it up for me. Oh yeah, that's good.
Stop.
That's good.
You're not even talking about downpipes, right?
Yeah, you already know that's coming. You know the deal.
Yeah.
What a nice layout.
Yeah, dude.
Like I said, as you're driving, if you have any concerns, let me know. I'll let them know.
Okay. It sounds good.
Yeah, no, definitely.
I've been debating on this one in the 5 Series.
Really? Yeah, we had a red 5 Series as well, actually.
The red one?
Mm-hmm. Got sold.
It feels good in here. It's nice and like, it feel like a coupe. It feel real small. I don't feel like the car is that as big as it is. Oh, they have the wagon.
The wagon to come?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, we also got cars on the inside. We got an Explorer in the inside.
The new one?
It's the base.
Base?
Yeah.
Okay. Come check that out.
Yeah, we had a comp. It was actually the green one. That thing got sold the minute we got it.
M4 comp, yeah, they
the
selling
green one.
everywhere. It sounds really good.
Yeah, it sounds good. Got a little burst to it. That's good torque, for sure.
It feels good. And this is stock.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
It's the 50th anniversary for the Camaro, so I got that package. It comes with the ZL1 package, but like the interior and everything.
Oh, is it SS?
No, that's the RS.
RS?
Yeah.
Is that like, which one it is? I don't know too much about Camaro.
Oh yeah, it's the V6 version.
But it looks like
It
the
has the
SS.
MPP exhaust system. It comes with all the performance that a ZL1 had, but in the V6
body.
Yeah.
Okay.
How your day been today so far? Pretty good?
Yeah. Nice little day out.
Yeah, no, the weather's nice as well.
But it has been.
this one before tax is 68.
68, okay.
990. Yeah, so it was last owned in Florida. Never been in an accident. No airbag deployment. No recalls. No structural damage. Or anything like that. Man, when you got them down pipes, that thing is gonna be cracked. Yeah. It still sounds good for stock, though. I'm pretty impressed.
I've been hearing people say that this, the 550 and 850 sounds better than the M8 and the M5.
It's just the torque. I need to look up the torque on this car.
Yeah, it gotta be 5.
Yeah, it's up there. I'm about to check right now, actually. Yeah, 553.
550.
Yeah.
Yeah,
533 horsepower.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like the crystal ball in here. There's an 8 in there, as y'all can see. I changed the ambient light into purple because that's what I pretty much will have all my settings to. So yeah, I don't know, man. I like this 850, as y'all did hear it. The saddle orange. The only thing about it is it has a couple of mishaps and whatnot. He's gonna talk to the person for me because it's, y'all can't even see me, because can y'all see me now? Whatever, dude. The black one that we seen earlier was actually a 850, a M850. It was D-badge. I thought it was a 840. That one's in my price range. But he told me it has a limit on it, and he's gonna check the limit now. They want what, 56 for the black one, but they want 70 for this, and it has 25,000 miles. I don't feel like that's a good deal from what I've been seeing. Anyway, I just switched to my phone, but I don't feel like that's a good deal from what I've seen. So he's gonna go ahead and get the limit for me and check everything out. I'm just sitting in here because it's freaking cold, and then when he get back, we're gonna go check it out. Look at these seats, man. I mean, obviously it's not the carbon buckets, but still fucking nice. Still nice. It also has the carbon fiber. Oh, the light came on. It has carbon fiber placement right here. It's really nice. Like, you can see the interior a little better. Like, y'all see this stuff? I can see the little stains on the light a little better. A little pokage in the seats. Something right here. But they want 70 for this model. I don't know. That's the only thing. But the car itself is fire. I've been sitting over here playing with the thing, colors and whatnot. So yeah, I've been over here playing with the colors. That's probably something I'm probably gonna do all the time, is play with these damn colors. I keep it on purple, honestly. So yeah, let me know what y'all think of the car in the comments. Is this the car y'all want to see on the channel? Are y'all messing with it? For sure, really nice car, bro. A nice replacement for the 335i, 100%. Back seats are actually smaller than the 335i if y'all are looking into this car for it to be bigger. It's not. All right, y'all, so we just finished test driving the 850, obviously. Loved it, but man, once again with this car shopping thing, the car wouldn't start. I don't know, it's always something. But the drive was great. The drive was a good drive. Come to find out, the back seats of those cars don't exist. It's a damn Corvette. I need back seats, whether that's my daily or not. I need back seats. I'm a big back seat lover. I love back seats. Big backs. Big bats for the W. But so I'm kind of crossing that. I'm crossing the M8 Coupe and the 850 off the list. As scary as that sounds. So you won't see an 850 Coupe on this channel. And this is me telling you this right now. At least not for now. You won't see it right now. You may see it in the future, I ain't gonna lie. You may see an M8 just pop out and spawn right quick. But the 5 Series is back on top. Obviously for size reasons. And come to find out, the 5 Series is actually lighter than the Coupe and the Grand Coupe. So with that being said, that is pretty much winning between the G80, G82, and the F90 body styles. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in on this amazing car journey we're on. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know how you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts on the 850. Am I tripping? Like, just let me know, am I tripping? Does the back seats matter that much? I don't know. But I appreciate y'all, man. Thank y'all for sticking with me, and thank y'all for watching the video. Hope y'all have a great day. See y'all in the next one.